This is how to fix the temperature sensor error code for the Raypack pool heater. The actual sensor is inside here. If you take these 6 screws out, you get access to that if you had to actually replace the sensor, and then the wire comes up through to the main motherboard. You'll get the error sensor code on here. First turn off the power and the power to the breaker, which I've already did earlier. If you get the sensor code, there are screws to take off on the side, and then this pulls out. Then you have access. Right here is the sensor plug. If you unplug this, pulling it out as I've done it and it's already reset, and let it sit for 5 minutes with the power off and the breaker off. Mine has a plug, so I unplugged it, and then the code will reset, and then your pool will heat up and work. This is when there is a problem with the water temperature going in, and then the sensor after that sensing the water has changed temperatures more than 2 degrees. So before you go ahead and replace the actual sensor, just unplug it first to reset it and see if it works. It'll fix it most of the time. Hope this helps.